Exercise 4.3. Question number 1. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real roots exist, find them. First one, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. So here we are going to find out the discriminant here. Here that means b square minus 4ac. If it is less than 0, we are going to say no real roots. If it is equal to 0, then 2 equal real roots, and if it is greater than 0, then 2 distinct real roots. So here we are going to see the first one, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. So here a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3, c equal to 5 here. So b square minus 4ac, when you are going to input the data, it will be minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 5 here. So that will be here 9 minus 40. So that equal to minus 31, which is less than 0 here. So we are going to say discriminant which is less than 0, no real roots. Question number 2. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. So here a equal to 3, b equal to minus 4 root 3, and c equal to 4 here. So b square minus 4ac. So b value minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a, that is 3, and c will be 4 here. So here 4 square minus 4 square 16 into root 3, that will be 3, minus 16 into 3, that will be 48 here. So 16 into 3, 48, minus 48, so that will be 0 here. So discriminant equal to 0, that means 2 equal real roots exist. So we are going to find out the 2 real roots here. So here so x equal to we know minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus b we know that will be minus 4 root 3 plus or minus b square minus 4ac, which is 0, by 2 into 3 here. So that will be here minus into minus plus 4 root 3 by 2 into 3. So here 2 cancel, root 3 here root 3. So we will be getting plus or minus 2 by root 3. So these are the 2 equal real roots. Third one, 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. So here a equal to 2, b equal to minus 6, c equal to 3 here. So we are going to check the discriminant for b square minus 4ac. So where b is minus 6 whole square, 4 into 2 into 3 here. So that will be 36 minus 24. So that will be 12. So b value discriminant is greater than 0. So two distinct discriminant greater than 0. So two distinct real roots are possible. So here we are going to find the two distinct real roots, that means minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So that will be minus b minus 6 plus or minus here 12 by 2a, 2 into 2 here. So that will be 6 plus or minus here root 12. So root 12 means 2 root 3 by 4 here. So that will be here 2 common we are going to take 3 plus or minus root 3 by 4 here. So here 2 1 2 2. So we will be getting 3 plus or minus root 3 by 2 here. So this is the two distinct real roots. Question number 2. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. First one, 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. So in the question they have given, they have two equal roots. So two equal roots means discriminant is equal to 0. That means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So in the question a equal to 2, b equal to k and c equal to 3 here. So here when you are going to see the discriminant, that means k whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3 equal to 0 here. So k square minus 24 equal to 0. So k equal to root 24. So k equal to here 24 can be written as 4 into 6 root. So k equal to here plus or minus 2 root 6. So this will be the answer. Second one, kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. So expanding the equation, kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. So a equal to k here, b equal to minus 2k, c equal to 6 here. So we are going to see that b square minus 4ac equal to 0. b square means minus 2k square minus 4 into k into 6 equal to 0. That means 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. So 4k we are going to take common, k minus 6 equal to 0. So here 4k equal to 0 and k minus 6 equal to 0. So k equal to 0 here and here k equal to 6. So answer will be 6 here. Question number 3. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. So here let breadth equal to x. Then length is twice its breadth. That means length will be (2x). So the area is given, which is 800 meters square. That means area we know L into B. So that will be 800 here. And L is 2x and breadth is x, which is 800. 2x square equal to 800, x square equal to 800 by 2, which is 400. Then x equal to, then x square minus 400 equal to 0. So here we are going to see the discriminant b square minus 4ac and finding the roots here. So here a equal to 1, b equal to 0, c equal to minus 400. So when you are going to see b square, which is 0, 4 into 1 minus 400. So that will be plus 1600, which is greater than 0. And yes, it is possible to have two distinct real roots. So yes, it is possible to have two distinct real roots. So now we are going to find out the real roots. That means x equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here x equal to minus 0 plus or minus, so this will be 1600 by 2 into 1 here. So x equal to root 1640, that means plus or minus here 40 by 2, so that will be plus or minus 20 here. So length is 20, means x is 20. So we know breadth, which is x, so that will be 20 meters here, and the length, which is 2x, that is equal to 2 into 20, which is 40 meters here. So breadth is 20 meters, length is 40 meters. Question number 4. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages is in years was 48. So here let one friend be X years and the other friend will be 20 minus X, because the sum of the two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, that means 4 years ago, when you are going to see, the first one age will be X minus 4, first one. Second one, the other friend will be 20 minus X minus 4, that means 4 years ago, means minus 4 years we are going to take. So that will be 16 minus X. So this is the ages 4 years ago. And in the question they have given the product of their ages in years was 48. So this and this product is 48. That means X minus 4 into 16 minus X, that equal to 48. So when you are going to simplify here, so 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x equal to 48. So here minus x square plus 20x minus 112 equal to 0. So x square minus 20x plus 112 equal to 0. Now finding the discriminant here, where b square minus 4ac, here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 20, c equal to 112. So b square means minus 20 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 112 here. So here 400 minus 448. So that will be minus 48, which is less than 0. So discriminant is less than 0, that means no real roots. So no real roots are possible here. Question number 5. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meters and area 400 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. So let the length is x, then breadth will be, so here perimeter is given, which is 2 into L plus B, which is 80. So when you are going to see L plus B, that means 80 by 2, that will be 40. So if it is length is x, then breadth will be 40 minus x, because the sum is 40 here. And in the question they are given area is 400 meters square. That means length into breadth is equal to 400 meters square. So length is x here and breadth is 400 minus x, so that will be 400 here. So when you are going to multiply here, we get 400x minus x square minus 400 equal to 0 here. So that will be x square so here x into 40 here 40x minus x square minus 400. So here x square minus 40x plus 400 equal to 0. So we are going to find out the discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac. Here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 40, c equal to 400 here. So b square means minus 40 square, 4 into 1, and c is 400 here. So here 1600 minus 1600, so that will be equal to 0. So which is equal to 0, that means we can have the real roots. So answer will be yes, and we will have two equal real roots here. Now finding the real roots. So x equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So that will be here b, which is minus 40 plus or minus, and b square minus 4ac, which is 0, by 2 into 1. So that will be 40 by 2, which is 20 here. So x is 20, so that means which is length here, and breadth, which is 40 minus x, that will be 40 minus 20, that will be 20 here. So 20 meters breadth and 20 meters length